Hello students, today we will start with exercise 5 of chapter 10 measurements, addition of meters and centimeters. Question number 1, add 35 meter to 28 meter, okay. We have to add these two measurements. The addition is simple as you have done earlier. 5 plus 8 is equals to 13, 3 and 1 will carry to second number, okay. 5 plus 8 13, we will write 3 and 1 will carry to next number. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So answer is 63 meter, okay. In question number E, meter and centimeter, units are given in measurements are given in meter and centimeter. 3 meter 25 centimeter, 4 meter and 75 centimeter. This column is for centimeter and this column is for meter. दो अलग अलग यूनिट हैं इसलिए सेंटीमीटर को थोड़ा सा स्पेस देकर लिखा है और मीटर को थोड़ा सा अलग स्पेस देकर लिखा है, ठीक है. नाउ वी विल ऐड स्टार्टिंग ऐड फ्रॉम राइट. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. 1 will carry to the next number. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, 0, 1 will carry to next. 3 plus 1 4 and 4 8. It means 8 meter and 0 centimeter. So answer will be 8 meter only, okay. In next, 0 plus 5 5, 7 plus 1 8 and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. It means 9 meter and 85 centimeter. This value 85 is for centimeter and this 9 is for meter, okay. You have to do 6 questions of this exercise 8 question. First 8, A to H. Next exercise, subtraction. We have to subtract the measurements. 90 minus 35 centimeter. Now start 0 minus 5. 0 is smaller than 5, so we have to take a carry from next previous number. It will become 10 and this will become 8. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5 and 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So answer is 55 centimeter, okay. 100 minus 25, 0, it will become 10, it will become 9 and it will become 0. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5, 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So this is 75 meter, okay. And the subtraction is also same, okay. F, 5 minus 0 is equals to 5, 9 minus 3 is equals to 6 and 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. So answer is 3 meter and 65 centimeter, okay. You have to do 8 questions of this exercise also, okay, up to H part, A to H. Exercise 7, story sums. Ali, Mary and Tara were each given a piece of rope. Here's how long each rope was. Ali has 2 meter 30 centimeter long rope. Mary has 3 meter 15 centimeter and Tara 1 meter 35 centimeter. Now we have to answer this question. How much do Ali's and Tara's ropes measures together? अली और तारा के जो दोनों की रोप्स हैं वो टोटल टुगेदर कितनी हैं वो आपको मेजरमेंट बताना है. सो वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू measurements, 2 meter 30 centimeter and 1 meter 35 centimeter. So Ali's rope is 2 meter 30 centimeter and Tara's rope is 1 meter 35. Now add these two measurements. 0 plus 5 5, 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 meter 65 centimeter. So we will write 3 meter 65 centimeter in the answer, okay. C part, how much longer is Mary's rope than Ali? अब ये आपको बताना है मैरी की रोप अली से कितनी ज्यादा बड़ी है, ओके. सो अब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस बताना है. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दीज टू लेंथ. अब इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ठीक है. आपको ये बताना है ना ये इससे कितनी ज्यादा है, तो आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Now 3 meter 15 centimeter minus 2 meter 30 centimeter. When we subtract these two measurements, 5 minus 0, 5. 1, we have to take a carry 1 from this number 3. So 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So answer is 85 centimeter. 85 centimeter. Okay. Now try other parts of this exercise. Question number 2. Here is the plan showing where 4 children live and also the position of an ice cream man. This is Gopal's home, Tara's home, Hari Om's and Rita's home. This is ice cream man. These are the distance to the ice cream man from each of the house. Now we have to tell how many meters is it from Rita's home to the ice cream man. रीता के होम से आइसक्रीम मैन की कितना डिस्टेंस है. So this is the distance from Rita's home, which is 450 meter. So we will write 450 meter. Okay. Hari walked to the ice cream man. Then he walked back home again. How many meters did he walk? Hari ice cream man तक घर से यहाँ पर आया है. ठीक है. 40 meters, 400 meters उसने वॉक किया है. अगेन ही वॉकड बैक टू होम. फिर वो दोबारा वापस घर गया है. तो वापस कितना डिस्टेंस और कवर किया है? 400. सो पहले भी 400, बाद में भी 400. सो आंसर विल बी 400 प्लस 400 इज इक्वल्स टू 800 मीटर. ओके. ई पार्ट. रीता वॉक टू द आइसक्रीम मैन एंड देन वॉक टू ताराज होम. रीता कहाँ तक? पहले आइसक्रीम मैन तक गई है. ओके. देन शी वॉक टू ताराज होम. सो शी कवर द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 450 मीटर. पहले यहां से यहां तक कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया उसने? 450 मीटर. ओके. और फिर उसके बाद यहां से यहां तक कितना कवर किया? 250 मीटर. ओके. नाउ यू हैव टू ऐड दीज टू मेजरमेंट्स. आपको ये दोनों दोनों क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज 7 के आपको कॉपी में करने हैं. ठीक है. And you have to show the calculation, means addition, in your notebook. Okay. All calculations in your notebook, fair notebook. Now weight. A heavy object has a greater weight than the light object. आपको पता है किसी भी भारी ऑब्जेक्ट का वेट ज्यादा होता है किसी भी लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट से. ठीक है. तो हम उसे कैसे मेजर करते हैं किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के वेट को? There are 2 standard units to measure the weight, gram and kilogram. Gram is smaller unit and kilogram is a bigger unit. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, you have to remember this measurement. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Okay. Shopkeeper use some standard weights to measure the वेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जो आप मार्केट में कभी भी जाते हैं तो शॉपकीपर्स कुछ स्टैंडर्ड वेट्स यूज करते हैं मेजर करने के लिए. दिस इज वेट ऑफ 5 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 ग्राम, 200 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम एंड 50 ग्राम. दीज आर द स्टैंडर्ड वेट्स. नाउ इन एक्सरसाइज 8 हाउ मच डू दीज वेट. अब आपको ये बताना है कितना वेट होगा. दीज आर द एप्पल्स. ओके. वी हैव टू टेल द weight of this apple. There are 2 standard weights. One is of 200 gram and second is 100 gram. So we have to add these two weight, 200 plus 100, which is equals to 300 gram. Okay. You can do this calculation 200 plus 100 in your notebook. Okay. आप इसे नोटबुक में कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं. देन यू कैन राइट इन बुक. सेकेंड, दिस इज 500 ग्राम एंड दिस इज 250 ग्राम. सो टोटल वेट इज 500 प्लस 250. तो आप दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर जितना भी आएगा वो आपको यहां पर लिखना है. ओके. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच इज हैवियर बाय हाउ मच? डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू राइट द यूनिट. Now we have to tell which pen is heavier and by how much. कौन सा पेन दोनों में से heavier है और कितना ज्यादा heavy है. ठीक है. First pen is of 300 gram weight and second 500 gram. Obviously 500 is greater than 300, so pen B is heavier than pen A. By how much? अब कितना ज्यादा है, तो अगर आपको दोनों का डिफरेंस बताना है then you have to subtract these two weights, 500 minus 300, which is equals to 200 gram. Okay, again you can do this calculation in your notebook. B, first weight is 2 kg and second is 10 kg. Which pen is heavier? Obviously B. Pen B is heavier than A. This is pen B, okay, and this one is A. It is heavier by how much? It is heavier 10 kg minus 2 kg. Now we have to subtract these two weight. It is equals to 8 kg. Okay, you can do the calculation in your notebook. Now the remaining question you have to do with yourself. Okay, exercise 9, addition and subtraction of kilograms and grams. The exercise is same as exercise 6, but the units are different. In exercise 6, units are meter and centimeter. Here the units are kilogram and gram. The process is same. You have to add the two weights, means 48 kg and 32. When we add 8 plus 2 0 and 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8, 80 kg. This is the answer. Okay, same in B, 102 kg. In C part the unit is gram, so answer will be in gram. Okay, 260 plus 50 and the answer will comes in gram. When the units, both units are given kilogram and gram, you have to add separately, means after giving some space. 650 gram and 250 gram, you have to add these two. Weight of gram means 900 gram and 5 plus 3 8, so answer will be 8 kg 900 gram. Okay, same in question number F, G and H. Subtraction, you have to subtract 102 kg minus 52 kg. So 0 plus 0 minus 2 minus 2 is equals to 0 and 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So answer is 50 kg. C, 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 2 5 gram. Okay, this will comes in gram. And in question number E to H, both the units are given, so you have to subtract first gram then kilogram. 10, it will become 10, 10 minus 5 5 and it will become 9. So 9 will remain as it is because no number is here, and 1 will become 0, so it is 0, and 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, so answer is 2 kg and 95 gram. Okay, in this way you can do the other questions. Exercise 10, story sums. In Mira's, there are some, Mira and her father and her mother go to shopping for her birthday party. Here what they buy? Cake, samosas, popcorn, oranges, jalebis, biscuit, toffees and potato chips. These are the weights of the these are the weights of the object they bought. First question, in Mira's bag he put the popcorn and the samosas. How much does the Mira's bag weigh? Mira has samosas and popcorn in her bag. So weight of samosa 450 gram and popcorn 250 gram. So to find the weight in her bag, we have to add 450 plus 250 gram. So 450 plus 250 gram is equals to 700 gram. Okay, you have to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay, the answer will be 700 gram. Question number 5, second, in her mother's bag he put the jalebis, potato chips and biscuits. Now the weight of mother's bag is, jalebi is 1 kg 250 gram, potato chips is 500 gram, and biscuits are 1 kg 200 gram. So we have to add these three units. Okay, 1 kg 250 gram, 1 kg 200 and 500 gram, and you will get the answer. Okay. In fifth question, orange which weights more which weights more, the biscuits or the oranges, and by how much? Oranges and biscuits. Oranges are 2 kg 200 gram, biscuits are 1 kg 200 gram. So obviously 2 kg is greater than 1 kg, so oranges weights more. By how much? ऑरेंजेस का वेट ज्यादा है बिस्किट से. अब कितना ज्यादा है, तो आपको अगर डिफरेंस निकालना है तो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दीज टू वेट्स. 200 minus 200 0 and 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So answer will be 1 kg. Okay. Now the remaining question you have to do with yourself. Okay. Capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the quantity that an object can hold. Okay. एक ऑब्जेक्ट कितना होल्ड कर सकता है, हम उसे कैपेसिटी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बकेट कैन होल्ड मोर वाटर देन कप, सो बकेट हैज द मोर कैपेसिटी देन कप. द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स फॉर कैपेसिटी आर लीटर्स एंड मिलीलीटर्स. मिलीलीटर इज स्मॉलर यूनिट एंड लीटर इज बिगर यूनिट. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Okay. In this exercise 11, you have to add and subtract these two capacities. Okay, these questions are same as exercise in question exercise 9. There the units are kg and gram, here the units are liter and milliliter. बस यहाँ पर यूनिट का डिफरेंस है, बाकी और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. ठीक है, ये भी ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है. 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम एंड 1 liter इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. सो दोनों के प्रोसेस सेम है, तो इसी प्रोसेस से आपको क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1 ABCD 4 एंड सेकंड ABCD 4. सो टोटल क्वेश्चंस आर 8 ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. Exercise 12. Look at these bottles: 200 ml, 500 ml, 400, 600, 1000 and 1 liter 500 milliliter. We have to answer these questions. Which bottle contains the least? Least मतलब सबसे कम किस बॉटल में. ठीक है, कौन सबसे ज्यादा कंटेन कर रहा है कम? The least will contain bottle A, which is 200 ml. Which bottle contains the least? Bottle A. So we will write A. Which bottle contains the most? सबसे ज्यादा किस में है? F. Which bottle contains 1 liter? 1 liter. 1 liter is not given in any of the bottle, but 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. So answer will be E. Which bottle contains half as much E? अब कौन सी बॉटल हाफ कंटेन करती है जितना E में है, मतलब E का हाफ. अब E में कितना है? 1000 ml, और इसका हाफ कितना होगा? 500 ml. हाफ मतलब होता है बिल्कुल आधा. ठीक है, बिकॉज 1000 ml का आधा कितना होगा? 500 ml. सो बॉटल B contains half as much as E. How much do A and B contains together? A और B दोनों बॉटल में कितना कंटेन्ड है? फर्स्ट 200 ml, second 500 ml. So we have to add these two capacity. 200 plus 500 is equals to 700 milliliter. Okay. In this way you have to do the other remaining questions 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. You have to do all questions of this exercise. The chapter is completed and your course was also completed. So best of luck for your final assessment. Thank you.